Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Afi Elizabeth and I welcome you on this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm excited for this video because I will be showing you some work wardrobe capsule that I think is a must in your closet when it comes to spicing up that workwear and also just having that basic foundation for your workwear. So I hope you enjoy this video just as much as I enjoy making it. If you are new and you like what you saw or you like what you watched, you like what you see. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe at the end of this video. Most of these outfits, I bought them this past month. I will try to find a link to them, but the purpose of this video is for you to understand that if you have these key basics in your closet for work, you can actually switch them around however way you like. You want to have pieces that are versatile and not just pieces that you buy one time and you wear one time and that's the only way you can style them. These pieces that I have are pieces that I can put together as a set, or I can switch them around and wear them however way I want to wear them with other things, and I can still look good and chic and elegant all at the same time. And that's what this channel is for. Affordable fashion is my thing. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. So for my first look is a trouser. Reason why I recommend everyone to own a pair of trousers because you can actually maneuver these pieces around your closet. I don't know why I use that vocabulary. Why I use that word. You can definitely move it around your closet with whatever item you have as far as top, blazer, all of the above. So the colors that I would recommend for you to have when it comes to workwear, or the chic colors, elegant colors, are navy, black, and also beige type of trousers. I decided to go with this because it's a common, it's a basic video if I bring out a black trouser, you know. So yeah, I highly recommend you to own a pair of navy trousers. You could definitely dress this up and dress this down. Add a nice pair of heels or sneakers. Those are my vibes. Just days where I feel like if I went to a casual, throw on heels. If I feel like I want to look dressy, if I feel like I want to look dressy, I throw on heels. If I feel like I want to look casual, but then again, streetwear and on the trend, you know, I wear sneakers. But yeah, so these trousers are here from Zara. I am obsessed with Zara suits. I'm a big Zara advocate. I like Zara, and if you don't like Zara, this page ain't for you. I'm just kidding. My next wardrobe must-have is a suit. So, like I said before, this is actually part of a set. A matching suit is the vibe for me. So the reason why I like to say matching suits are definitely a must-have when it comes to your wardrobe for work is because it's just one of those very professional, elegant, chic looks. If you want to bring that career woman into the office, you want people to look at you differently, you want them to respect you, put on a suit and make sure you wear that suit right. Because if you wear it right, ain't nobody gonna say nothing to you. You're gonna be big boss, big things, making big moves, you know? So yeah, a suit for me is a must. This suit right here is actually a male version of a suit in a female form. Is Zara female version of a men's suit? Make it make sense. Zara female version of a men's suit, and it's actually one of those trends that is trending this year, oversized blazers and men's suit being worn by women. And yeah, it's a vibe for me. The reason why I purchased this is because I like oversized blazers and I like men's suits. But sometimes a men's suit can make you look a little bit too bulky. It all depends if you like going to the tailor every time you purchase a men's suit. Me personally, there are days where I do, some days I don't. But it benefits me if I do purchase a suit from the women's department that is a version of a man's suit. And this suit did just that. So yeah, I like suits. I find them to be very beneficial for me, especially on days where I don't feel like you know, searching for something to wear, suits are usually one of those lazy grab and go for me. Some people might say, I feel like you gotta, you know, add a little bit of extra spice when you wear suits and put a little bit more of an effort into your look when you wear suits. Not for me. Suits for me are kind of like sweatpants. Like, if I want to just get up and go, I know I can just grab a suit, throw on something like this, a basic turtleneck or a sweater or a t-shirt underneath this, and I look chic and professional and ready to go. That's what suits do for me. So yeah, I would highly recommend you to own a suit. The top 3 colors for me when it comes to an elegant workwear type of, you know, professional look when it comes to a suit are, of course, navy. If you are a boring, well, not boring, but if you are a color person, but you don't want to, but you know you can't wear your bright colors to work, you still want to be in that colorful side of the rail, a navy suit is one of those suits as far as colors that I would highly recommend you to grab. I'm going to try to find and see if Zara is still selling this. Hopefully they are, and I'll link it down below. The next color that I would say you should definitely go and check in your closet if you have black suits. I am a fan of black suits. The reason why I say it is because black suits are also those very versatile type of colors that you can also play with. And if you don't like the vibe of wearing suits all the time, you got the black blazer that can also change into different, you know, style and looks. Make it make sense. You could wear them differently with different things if you have a black blazer. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. And then my last favorite type of suit are beige. I love cream, beige, however color you want to call them, brown suit, just because those are also wearable to work. And you could definitely dress them up, dress them down. So far, I haven't found a beige suit in my size, but it's been all over stores, okay? Zara sells the best beige suits. But every time I get on the website, they always sell out of my size. So, yeah, and gray suits are also a vibe, but I feel like gray is a little bit too dull for me personally. So if you want to wear gray, you want to go for like a darker, shady, like a fadeaway black type of beige suit. Like, don't wear like the actual gray suits. For me, it's just a little bit too dull. I'm not a fan of like full-on gray suit. I just like that little shade of black into my gray suits. So that's that.
So my next item that I think everyone should own as far as workwear related, leather pants. And I feel like leather pants are one of those items that you can either choose to love it or you can choose to hate it, depending on if you know how to style them, depending on, if you know how to style them based off of your body type. These leather pants right here are from Zara, and I am obsessed with these leather pants. I feel like I've OD'd these leather pants to the point where like it's time for me to like hang it up for a minute, but I can't. They're so nice and so well put together with just about anything, and they make you look classy, elegant, whether you are trying to dress up for work or you're trying to do casual wear, depending on wherever you work at. And of course, a blazer is also a must when it comes to owning something in your workwear. So I have 3 different style of blazers that I love to buy. I buy men's blazers, which are the ones that I normally thrift at the thrift stores, and then I take it to the tailor so they can, you know, fix it the way I want it to look. And then I have my women's blazer, of course, the one that I shop for online or at stores. And then I have my tailored, suitable, you know, well fitted blazers. So yeah, I think who wouldn't want to look like this? You look good. If you get a blazer, you will look fantastic. You will look marvelous. Who uses marvelous? I do. Anyway, my next item that I think you should own as far as workwear is definitely statement pieces. Statement pieces, I feel like a lot of people tend to look down upon statement pieces when it comes to workwear, just because they might think it might be too much to wear for work. But I promise you, if you stick to your statement pieces would definitely, you know, be usable at any workplace. So with this look right here, my statement piece were the top, which I actually bought from Amazon. That sweater is so beautiful. And of course my heels. So heels for me are also a way for me to play with basic colors. So whenever I feel like I can't really wear my bright colors to work, I normally play with my feet. I also love to play with my tops. I don't really focus on my legs because I don't like how, statement pieces make my legs stand out because I'm already thick on the thighs. So I like to keep my bottoms normally simple. So I work in the office setting, so I can't really, go all out on my pants. But if you do work in an area where you can wear colors and you can express yourself in the most, elegant and chic way, I would definitely recommend you to play with colors such as green, navy, beige, dark blue. Just colors like this are also suitable for work, but you just have to make sure that you balance your top out. You don't want to wear too much colors, focus on one area and add that color to that one area, and the rest of it wear your basic black and you're good to go. Now when it comes to dresses, I also like to play with dresses as part of my statement pieces. And this dress right here I used to hate a lot but now I'm obsessed with. Now when it comes to tight dresses to office, I like to balance my entire look. So I wouldn't recommend you to wear something tight with something tight. What I did here was the dress is very fitted, but I threw on an oversized blazer so it won't look like I'm trying to seduce anyone. And of course the blazer comes all the way past my butt, so we are respectful at the same time. So my next item that I think you should definitely own are button-ups. Button-ups for me, you can definitely dress them up and definitely dress them down. I decided to dress it down right here just because not everybody works office, Some people work at a casual work setting and you can wear just about anything that doesn't make you look crazy. And white button-ups are one of those pieces that are they are wearable for any season, and if you dress it up, you look very well put together. And if you dress it down, you still look very well put together. And if you add that blazer, okay, that statement piece, the statement piece, like I said, it can go either both way. I focused on, one place in particular, which was the jeans. I added color jeans, but I also wanted to give it that vibe, that, girl, you look good. And my other statement piece, of course, was a leather blazer. And there you go. You look put together, vibe it out, feel confident when you wear out in clothes like this, because people will try to tell you why you got green pants on for. But I promise you, if you're confident, you look nice regardless of what people say. So my next item are crew necks. A lot of people think crew necks are only for college students and they tend to overlook crew necks. I absolutely love crew necks, and my go-to colors when it comes to crew necks are normally the neutral colors, especially when it comes to work. And you also have to pay attention to the graphic. Of course, you don't want to wear too much of it seductive or a profound style to work. And of course, I love shopping for good quality crew necks. And this crew neck right here was actually from Fabletics, believe it or not. It's cute, isn't it? To dress it up, of course, blazers. I'm going to keep talking about blazers just because blazers are basically that key staple to a workwear outfit if you want to make it look chic and put together. And neutral colors, a nice navy blazer, and that statement pants of yours will definitely play a really good, it would give you a nice outfit. So yeah, you could definitely dress this up, giving me teacher vibes, giving me I'm going to work on a casual vibe today and we're gonna look cute. But anyway, yeah, so blazers are another way for you to make any item go from to okay, I see what you're doing here, so that's definitely a vibe to try if you have casual days at work. My next item that I think you should definitely own as far as your workwear pieces are matching sets sweatpants. Now sweatpants can definitely be a tricky thing, especially if you work corporate, but here's a key to understand what is wearable as far as sweatpants and what is not. You want to buy sweatpants that are fitted and really nice looking to the eyes. These sweatpants right here, this entire set is from Amazon, and I can definitely wear this to the office because the sweatpants itself is very well put together. Of course, I added a poncho and I added heels to it. It's one of those sweatpants that you don't buy at Walmart. Like, you really have to look for that chic, elegant sweatpants, and I am obsessed with these because I can definitely dress it up and definitely dress it out depending on my vibe for that particular day. So my next way you can definitely wear your sweatpants are, of course, with sneakers and, once again, blazers. Dress that blazer up or dress it down. If you are a workwear casual type of person, this would definitely be a vibe for you, okay? Try it out. My last and favorite item that I think everyone should own, especially during the fall and winter season, are trench coats. Trench coats will never go out of style, okay? They are one of those key pieces that make you look classy, elegant, no matter what you have on. Trench coats can be worn for any occasion. It is classy enough to be one of the few types of outerwear that looks good with formal clothing and suits and sweatpants and jeans. Casual or not casual, trench coats is that girl, okay? You definitely need to own yourself a pair of trench coats. I have all kinds of styles when it comes to trench coats. I have the ones that are, stripes, and I also have my solid basic trench coats, and I also have them in different lengths. And I find it very important if you own 2 different colors of trench coats. And normally when I'm out shopping for a client, or if I'm helping someone discover their personal style, I normally recommend them to have a beige trench coat and also a black trench coat, and also have a thicker material, the ones that are bulky as well, and the ones that you can just wear very light if the weather is warm. You don't need to own a whole bunch of trench coats, in my opinion. I think if you have these 2 key pieces right here, the black and beige, you can definitely add on to the list. But in my opinion, black and beige is normally that classy and never goes out of style type of color when it comes to trench coat. And different length is a must, okay? Different length makes any outfit scream differently. It depends on your personal vibe. But yeah, that's about it. I hope this video was very beneficial for anyone that is trying to elevate their workwear, and I hope you enjoy this. If you like me, subscribe. Let me know what look you like the most, and what look would you like to try, and what kind of video you want me to make. So definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you like what you watch and you want to watch more, check out my 2 check out my 2 videos on this side and also this side. My recent and my videos. Yeah.